from one of the hottest countries in the world, Kuwait.
Hello, my name is Sofia and I'm from Russia.
I am Anshreya and I'm from China.
We're in the same class.
In the same school?
But from different parts of the world.
Thanks to online learning,
Distance doesn't matter.
Because the world is our classroom.
I log in around 6:40 a.m. here in Kuwait and I'm doing that right now. And this is my study setup. My desk, my desktop, and of course my books. It's here where I enjoy my favorite subjects, especially science. But my most favorite class? Well, it is my second language class, ESO. And because it always makes me smile. Even early mornings feel fresh and fun when the class begins.
It's 11:40 a.m. here, and that's the time that I have to log into my classes to attend them. So this is my study setup, by the way. My laptop, my headphones, and my books and notebooks. They are always with me wherever I go. So if you talk about my favorite subject, it must be maths, because I love solving all those different math problems that give one accurate answer. I love accuracy a lot. I mean, it really gets your brain working when you're still sleepy.
I'm staying in China and I'm logging at 11:45 a.m. This is my little study world. My laptop, my desk, my books, and my stationery. I'm missing someone from the show. That's right, it's my jumbo. I know it's a bit silly, but he keeps on cheering me on in every subjects, as well as classes. Let's dive into my favorite subjects. I love maths, but my most favorite subject is science. Every time when I get a question right, it's like a mini victory party in my head.
we live in different time zones.
And lead different daily lives.
But we learn side by side.
Shall we solve this worksheet together?
Sure, Sofia.
Alright, I'm reading the first question then. Kimonos dash in Japan.
I think it's option B, R1.
Yeah, I agree with you. Just circle it in.
I'm sure with that too.
Let's go to the next question. Spanish dash in Spain, Mexico and Argentina. What could this
Wait.
be?
Is it option A? Is spoken?
Oh, yeah, I think it is.
I agree with him. Yeah, I agree with him.
Okay, I think let me go with the third question now.
I agree with him.
Camels dash for transport in the Sahara Desert.
Oh, I know this one. It's option B. I used.
Yes, I do agree with you, Sophia. We might be far away.
But we help each other.
Like we're at the same desk.
You asked me about a favorite food here in Kuwait? I would say it's the majboos. The rice with meat and spices. All those diverse flavors and real popularity makes it a must try. And coming to a fun tradition or a custom here in Kuwait, I would say about the National Day. We basically light up the whole city and all those lights and energy and the vibes. It's just the best thing to do in the world. And talking about a famous landmark here in Kuwait, I would say it's the Kuwait Towers and it's right here. It's tall and majestic and it's like Kuwait's way of saying, see how far we have come.
It's time I speak about different food celebrations and landmarks of my city. So for the foods, I really love those small pies. Each one is filled with different flavor. One is with meat, one is with vegetables. There are even sweet ones. I really love them. Then the celebrations. So the best one for me is the City Day. So it's celebrated on the first Sunday of June every year. So in different parts of the city, there are concerts, games, and you get to travel around them and listen to different artists or even win some prizes. Now comes the landmarks. So for example, this is a barber. I'll give you a brief history of him. So there were different artists. They came together and they wanted to make a statue of an animal, but they couldn't really think of which one. So in the end, they just took all the animals they could think of, combined into one, and he came out. I mean, he isn't real, but he's still quite beautiful, isn't he? Then there's this river, Angara. It's the only river that flows out of the Lake Baikal, the deepest lake in the world. I mean, there are 300 or more flowing in, but only one flowing out. I mean, that's something, isn't it?
I'm right now in the most famous places in China, the Bandan Shanghai. Over here we can see the old buildings in China for 20th centuries. You can see the new buildings over there. This purple tower over here you can see, it's actually called an Oriental Pearl Tower. It was actually a TV and broadcasting tower, but now it's actually a tourist attraction. Over here we can see Shanghai Tower. Shanghai Tower is the tallest building in China, and it's the third tallest building in the world. Here in Shanghai is the hot pot. The hot pot is very delicious, and with the meat and the vegetables and the mushrooms and all mixed up together in one pot, very good. And especially on a very cold day, we can eat the hot pot with family and friends and chat and laugh. Wow, that's so delicious. My favorite festival here in Shanghai is Christmas. Because on Christmas Eve, people give apples to each other, and there's a Chinese word for apples. It sounds like peace. Imagine if you get a red apple all wrapped up like a treasure chest.
Our cultures are different.
Our stories are unique.
But learning brings us together.
Online school is not just about screens and Wi-Fi.
It's about connection, friendship, and global learning.
If we can do it, so can the world.